guys, thanks for joining us today, and I'm going to thank you for all of the new subscribers and views and comments. Thank you very much for those. I really appreciate it. And now let's get moving to the stuff that I printed off of the few days. First, I'm going to show you a Apex logo that could light up. Let me just, there we go. You see it here. Yeah, it's cool. And moving on, we have a pumpkin patch Disney California Disney pumpkin. Very big. You could I'm gonna get the gonna give you the views. Okay. And now we also made a Apex axe. It looks super cool. I like it. I just don't play Apex, but I like it. Details. We also have a keychain of a Ghostface Mickey. I'm gonna show it to you guys. There we go. And we have another one. It's a Mickey bat. You can see it. Yeah. And just a Ghost Mickey. Show to you. Yep. And the big one, we have a hard tic-tac-toe that is so hard to do. I'm gonna show it to you. Yeah, it looks super hard. Actually hard. And we have these keychain of a Mexican skeleton. I don't know what it's called, but here it is. You can see it. There's the back. Okay, and I'm just going to move this because this is going to be big. Oh yeah, and I forgot. We also have an iPhone holder that could hold iPhones like this. I'll show it to you. There you go, you can see it. Yeah, and we're going to bring up the big one. And it took 1 day, 2 days, I don't know. But let me get it. And this is a Deadpool and Wolverine helmet. You can see it. I'm going to show you it. That's the eye. You can see it. That's the other eye. And this is with wearing it. It looks super cool. And yeah, this is super cool. That's the left, that's the back, that's the right. This is the front. And you see this is not made of rubber. We just printed it. Yeah, we made all of that stuff over the past few days. It like kind of took like 2 days to make. And thanks for like liking and subscribing. And we're going to post more new videos. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And we might give out free fidgets, or we could just like leave a comment and let us know what you want us to do next. Peace out.